So welcome to my studio. I'm Peter Idoko, the Pyro-Fusion artist. So yeah, these are the materials I normally use to do my Pyro-Fusion art on canvas and also on wood. So I'm going to show you how they work. Yeah, before I forget, this is the gas I normally use to fill up the gas, but I think I've already filled the gas up already. I'm going to be lighting them up to demonstrate to you how I go about it. And yeah, this is the pressure you can reduce. I think I'm going to off the lights. Yeah, so this is it. This is soldering blowtorch, like I use it for those smaller areas, like the delicate areas. You can reduce the pressure and you can also increase it. And also this is the one I use most of the time, the blowtorch. Like I used it a lot of time in my process, my canvas works and other mediums. And this is another one, lighting it up now. You can see how I'm reducing it. Like you can reduce it. I usually use the soft pressure to be able to work, so it doesn't put much pressure on the canvas. So before I forget, this is the razor blade I use. I usually shape it this way to be able to use to create some highlights and details on the canvas after burning. So this is the razor blade. And sometimes I use like this, the brush I use for the background, and charcoal in some parts of the background and texture. Yeah, so without wasting much of your time, let's get right into it of the burning process. Yeah, so right now this is it, how I burn and create my subject on canvas. This is the fire process. It's just like I'm using pencil to shade on paper. In this way, fire is my pencil, fire is my brush, fire is my paint. So I use it to create all the tones and the hues. Like people ask how I create highlights and all that. So this is more like a white surface. The canvas is my highlight, so the brightness. So I just walk around, use the fire to walk around it's certain portions of the face, certain areas of the face to create a highlight. So as I said, it's just like shading, but in this case it's fire that I'm using so to create my shade and everything to form the highlights you are seeing in my drawings. Also, as time goes on, I'll show you more tricks and tips of how I go about it. For the meantime, enjoy this. Let me not bore with all my talks. Let's jump right into the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I appreciate the support.